This tutorial review will show you how to change YouTube username on mobile. You can manage basic info about your YouTube channel such as channel name and channel username, description, translations and links. First of all, open your YouTube app and remember one thing, this process will be same for your Android device and iOS device. Open your YouTube and tap on your profile photo at the top right. Tap on your channel. Tap on edit channel. Here, tap on this pencil icon next to handle. Type to change the existing handle. If a handle isn't available, a similar one will be suggested. If the username is available, tap on save. And that's how we can change YouTube username on mobile. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Tutorial River. See you in the next video.